2017, the European premier event for entertainment and media professionals.
An event that in 2016 attracted more than 55,000 attendees from over 159 countries for the conference and exhibition.
1,600 companies are jostling for space in the packed halls of the RAI.
Hi, I'm Vanessa Ray for InBroadcast here at IBC 2017, and I'm joined by Dan from Marquise Technology. Dan, how are you?
Hi, thank you. I'm doing very fine. It's just the third day, but already pretty busy and tired, but still a few days to go.
All right.
Yeah.
Can you give me a brief overview of Marquise Technologies?
Yes, so Marquise Technologies is a Swiss-based company. We essentially focus on creating tools for mastering and QC for what we call noble formats or high-end formats for digital cinema masters, OTT masters used by Netflix and other companies like them, and broadcast as well, of course. Yeah. So our market is really the post-production and slowly also migrating into the broadcast environments.
And what are you excited about that you're featuring, highlighting here at IBC?
Well, the focus for us this year, I would say the main focus, because we have a couple of things showing that we're showing here, it's IMF and tools that we build around the IMF standard. And that includes obviously the mastering tools, but also the QC tools, the integration of high dynamic range workflows into IMF. We did a lot of work also with the EBU and the DPP to propose a sort of amendment to this new standard for broadcasters, and we had a great event with EBU yesterday on their booth regarding this work.
Fantastic. And as you innovate in the industry, do you work with a lot of consumers, a lot of customers to sort of meet their needs, and how do you meet them? How do you come up with solutions?
Well, that's an interesting question because it's our everyday business, really, so to speak. We're playing with technologies that are really new to everybody in the industry. They are barely finished by the standardization bodies that already, vendors try to implement them and consumers try to use them. And the workflows are not clearly established for everyone, so it's a challenge for everyone. So we have to collaborate intensively with the users, our customers, but also with these new technologies that involve high dynamic range that now reach even consumers at their homes. We have to think not just what happens in the professional market, but also how things reach the viewers in their homes and how these things get incorporated into the professional workflows. So it's challenging, but it's exciting, and it takes us hours every day, but that's our job.
And briefly, in the future, where do you see Marquise Technologies going in the sector as well?
Well, the content creation sector is really being challenged by these new technologies. So, of course, the standards are changing, but also the way you distribute content is changing. You probably heard in the last months a lot of talking about cloud-based solution and all that. So we have a bunch of cloud-based services through two different platforms that we've developed, also together with some customers, and we're continuing to develop more and more on that. It's challenging from many perspectives because obviously cloud-based solutions are also new for the customers. That involves security issues, involves data rates that challenge the content creation because we're talking about huge amounts of data. So we have a lot of work to do there, and that's our focus for the next 2-3 years at least, I think. And but still around these new technologies, new standards, that's where our focus is, and where we have a lot of work to do.
A lot of work to do. So where can people get more information about Marquise Technologies?
Well, obviously, our website has information on our products. Otherwise, we are members of the EBU working group for IMF, the DPP as well. So you can catch us up at these events organized by these organizations, and SMT events as well, depending on where they are in the United States or Europe. So we try to be present as much as possible during these events, and then catch up with us in our booth here and ask for information on our products and what we do.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Dan.
Thank you for your interview. Thank you.
My pleasure. For InBroadcast, I'm Vanessa Ray.